Um, oh, um, yeah, we'll crank that down. uh, oh, Sage Bear and Marianne, thanks for the subs. You started playing Tetris because of you, and now I'm cracked. Honestly, I started playing Tetris because of someone before too. And I don't know. I think like the most heartbreaking part maybe one day is that, you know, just a lot of people are gonna play Tetris, you know, because like it's always nice when somebody else plays. And then they're gonna realize that I'm basically just gold in Tetris and I'm not that great. It's heartbreaking. So maybe you guys just shouldn't play so that I can still look good in your eyes. Puyo Puyo Tetris? Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, none of you are allowed to play. Oh. Oh, there's a pen under my keyboard. I was like, why is it shaking? Okay, it's just not steady. Oh, like, I don't know. I've got butterfingers these days, just not as warmed up as I used to be, you know? Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. I know I'm kind of doing a bad thing where I'm like being kind of risky again, but I'll fix it, I swear. Oh no. Man, I messed it up. I remember playing Tetris on a machine at my homecoming like 1.5 years ago. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Honestly, I like Tetris on the machine. It is just wait. I messed it up. I thought I had the time, but I didn't. It's kind of sad. Okay. Oh god, my butterfingers. The rank is showing. Hey, relax! That's crazy. Honestly, I should clean my room, so I'll let friends in here. It's been kind of not good. Well, that's what I was trying to do while I was sick, you know? Like, I don't know. Oh god. Oh god, oh heavens. Okay. Yeah. Tetris gods, no way, we bay bear. No way. Oh no. I should have looked ahead, but I didn't. Stockholders. A different light. Oh. Ah! Oh god, why did I do that? Dude, I think once I fix my butterfingers, I'm like unstoppable, but until that day, like it's just, oh god, it's just never gonna happen. I've got the butteriest fingers known to man, dude. The butteriest fingers. It's just so, it's just embarrassing. Here we go, friends. That's a lot of we have an M&M's emote! Where? M&Amps in a line? Yeah. Oh no! See, I feel like my typing is just so bad too, because like, I make a lot of mistakes, so obviously that affects my words per minute. It messes up my accuracy by a lot. Okay. Oh god. Okay, yeah, we're back at it. Um, oh god. Oh god. Yeah. Oh. What is that emote? Wait, the one with the cat? Oh. Okay. Oh, heavens me. Oh. Okay. Oh god. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Oh. Tina! Dude, I'm like locking it in when I shouldn't be. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'll just... Tina Kitty? What? Oh, angry. Yeah. Some would say. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. Okay. I need to start looking at the next block. I'm being lazy with that. I eat sticks and rocks and mud. Oh. I feel stupid. Ugly. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, I messed it up. Okay. Oh no! I'm like messing up my back-to-back Tetrises like really bad. Like my formulas, my secret formula, it's broken. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Aw, damn it! I messed up again! And again. Okay, listen. What? Oh. You guys like this song? Oh, I looked over once and it was just all in shambles. It's okay, guys. I'll fix it. As long as I get to talk to you, everything's okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I messed it up again. Oh. When do I not? Oh. 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 Okay, honestly, I have to focus. Um, okay, hold on 1 second. Tina's gonna work magic. Yeah, it's magic time. Oh, you know what? That wasn't very magical. Ah, okay, there. Oh god. Okay, what is happening in my brain where I switch to the right piece and then I put it in the wrong place? Like, I would like to know. Um, um, honestly, it's kind of satisfying when that happens. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, alright, it's getting faster. Okay, Monka. You've gotta be kidding me. Well, I'm not. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Like, it's already getting kind of quick. Oh, what the? Oh, Jesus. Hello? Without my permission, nonetheless. Oh, God. Oh, God! No, I wasn't ready! No, stop! No, no! No!